Stuck on them 20-somethings. Stuck on them 20-somethings. Good luck on them 20-somethings. Good luck on them 20-somethings. God bless them 20-somethings. Hoping my 20-somethings won't end. Hoping to keep the rest of my friends.
It's 6:30 a.m. and I'm on my morning walk. It's also 10 degrees. I woke up at 6:05 and yes, it's this bright because it's currently spring. This lip oil from Q. I love it because it makes my lips oily and not glossy. I put Vaseline first and then paired it with it. What? I'm saying this kind of hard. I just wish everybody was watching. There's like a million photo-worthy spots in Stellenbosch, and honestly, I need to start taking advantage of it. Just come and take pictures of content because this town is so beautiful. Hey YouTube lovers, I hope you're doing well. This is Honoratha or Rita or Shara. Honestly, I don't resonate with the name Rita anymore. Rita is a name that a close friend of mine started calling me one day in high school. At the time, I liked it because it was different to my full name, Honoratha. But as I grow and transition into different seasons of my life, I feel like it was an identity that was just put on me and I didn't really have a say in that. In this season, I prefer to be called Shara or even just Honoratha. Shara is some variation of my second name. Anyways, it's spring in Stellenbosch, which is also my favorite season. I feel like spring is just so magical. I moved to Stellenbosch over a month ago to be closer to work, which is also a little bit ironic because update, I've been working from home for over 3 months now. It's currently 28 degrees and I am going to get something to eat. Working from home has been fun. I enjoy going to cafés on Thursdays and Fridays. It is so convenient and I'm truly grateful for that. But there's also a certain level of discipline and energy that I have yet to master for it. But so far, so good. Can I please get an iced coffee? I'd like an iced coffee.
Okay, so my darling, these vouchers they only work on Sundays.
First of all, I don't even like coffee, so I don't know why I thought an iced coffee would be any different. Yuck. I think so, yes. I'm going for the walk, no. Walk or the run, yeah. Are you doing any? Okay, so I just finished with my meeting and I just got a vitality check with Discovery at the sports ground. So basically they tested my glucose, cholesterol and HIV status. Everything is good. The nurse said that whatever it is that I'm doing, I should keep doing that. And honestly, I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah. I just keep discovering places that I have never ever seen in my entire life because this is nice.
It is so bad, I want to give you a 0, but that's not possible. So I give you a 1.
Maybe you should drive a Yukon. Pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot in Tucson. Like, are you with me? In the phantom with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. I can help you get a move on. Like too hard, and I know. You like to go slow. But we could go faster. Maybe the pressure. Slide city. You know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. I bring nice things. Slide. Any other man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get slouched instead. I know it's gonna make you beg. What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you?
Today's Sunday, went to church, I did my nails, listening to music right now. Tomorrow is work obviously and I have some work to do, but we'll get to that then. Like, I really don't have any plans for today. Also, my lips look so great and I'm gonna show you guys how I did this or how I achieved this look. I used this matte lipstick, like a black liner, and then I used this lip gloss from the 5 Rand store. I feel like I'm always talking and thinking, but the minute that I pick up my camera to vlog or to say something, I don't know what to say. I finished reading the book Finding Me by Viola Davis, and I think I found myself in that book, lol. I found it stunning how much I resonated with Viola and her story, and I just felt seen while reading each chapter. Thinking about this question that somebody asked me yesterday. Let me pause the music. Like, what do you do for fun? And I'm like, this. Okay, I didn't say that, but I feel like this is what I do for fun, like coloring, taking videos, and yeah, that's what I do for fun. I got this coloring book this month because I've been thinking about getting a coloring book, and I got these colors as well from P&A. The coloring book, I got it from Pep, and it was literally like 32 Rand. Like, what? It was like 120 pages. I had to get it. Initially, I didn't get it because I went to Pep for other things. Like, I don't remember what I went for, but I went for other things. But then I saw the coloring book. I'm like, I've been wanting to get a coloring book. And I saw the price. I was like, oh, that's an affordable price. And then I just went to P&A to get the coloring pencils and the crayons because I wanted to actually get those. But then I saw the prices of the coloring books at P&A and I was like, nah, this is too expensive for me. I'm not gonna, get this. But then I remembered that there was this coloring book at Pep, and then I decided, you know what, I'll just go and get that. This is what I do for fun. I also like reading. And what else do I do for fun? And shopping. Like, I love shopping. Obviously doing my makeup. Today I didn't do my makeup. I just did the lip gloss. What else do I do for fun? That's like it. I don't play a sport. I would love to learn to play a sport. I would love to learn how to play netball or tennis or any sport at this point. And eating. I love eating too. And yeah. This is low-key hurting me, this earring. I get so shy. Being shy, not even being shy. I don't think it's being shy. I think it's like overthinking. Like, I overthink a lot and then I end up stopping myself from doing certain things that I want to do. I don't know if it's a toxic trait or just a negative attribute of mine. I guess it gets better with time and through experience. Life is your greatest teacher. Today is Monday. It's currently 1 o'clock and I'm about to go to McDonald's to just get some lunch. After work, I'll go to H&M to return the dress that I got on Saturday. I think I'll just change it to like an extra small or a small because this is really too tight. It is Wednesday and I just realized that I literally have not left my room today. So I thought I should go on a walk. I usually go on a morning walk. This week has not been very productive on my side. And the fact that it's a public holiday, it's currently 4:30 p.m. It's getting a little bit dark, so I might have to change my skirt to pants. It looks like it's cold outside. Like, I don't know. I wouldn't know if it's cold outside because I haven't gone outside. To go and spend some time in nature. I really love the hair. I used this argan oil styling mousse to like achieve this. So it's essentially just a braid out. This hair is not the hair for this weather. It's so beautiful here. By the way, I thought it was going to be cold outside, but it's actually not as cold. It's just very windy and I could have worn that skirt if I wanted to. On the 1st of September, I wrote in my journal, face my front, stay in my lane, focus on the road ahead of me and not on someone else's. Otherwise, I may miss the opportunities and blessings that are in my path. Look to others only for inspiration. And surprisingly, this has been the recurring theme of this month for me. I'm still learning to just face my front and focus on my path instead of complaining or comparing myself to others. It's hard, but one step at a time. This video is one step I'm taking to face my front. I hope you enjoyed it. Talk soon. Love, Shara.